How to reverse a video in VN Video Editor. Want to play your video backwards? Here's how to reverse clips in VN Video Editor. Tap the clip in your timeline to select it. Scroll through the bottom options and tap Reverse. VN Video Editor will process your clip, reversing the playback direction. Tap Play to preview the reversed video. If it does not look right, try trimming the clip or adjusting the speed for smoother playback. Reverse effects work great with actions like jumping or pouring liquids for a cool effect. Ever used reverse videos creatively? Share your ideas in the comments below. And that's how you can reverse a video in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.